Did you know a single sneeze almost bought half of Japan's biggest companies? Back in 2014, a Japanese trader was working peacefully until he unleashed a Super Saiyan level sneeze. That sneeze hit a hotkey that placed buy orders worth, wait for it, $6 and $17 billion. Yeah, billion. More than the GDP of Sweden. And what did he try to buy? Oh, just 57% of Toyota, Honda, and several other giants. No big deal. The system freaked out. Prices exploded. Everyone in the office ran around like it was a fire drill. And the best part? The exchange canceled the whole thing because it was too ridiculous. And the trader didn't even get fired. Imagine telling your boss,
Sorry. I sneezed and accidentally tried to buy the entire car industry.
Moral of the story? In trading, the biggest risk isn't the market. It's your immune system.